This is MobiCam, the latest multi-purpose monitoring system. MOBI comes with a free app for a quick and easy setup. You must first create a free account. Tap Sign Up on the screen. Enter your email and tap Send Verification Code. Check your email for the verification code. If you did not receive a verification code, please wait until the timer on the screen reaches 0 before you tap Send Verification Code again. Once you do receive the verification code, enter it on the appropriate tab, then input your passwords on the tabs below. Tap Finish to complete the sign-up process. After you follow the steps to creating a free account, sign into the app using your username and password. On the IP camera page, tap Add Device to connect your camera to the app. Then, tap Connecting My Camera, find your wireless network, and enter your password. Move your phone closer to the camera and hold it steady. Tap Send Sound Wave to connect to the wireless network. Please wait while the sound wave is sent. Once sent, you will hear wireless network established from the camera. In just a few seconds, connection to the wireless network will be confirmed. Welcome to the home page of the MOBI app. Tap the image on the screen to view your camera's image. Tap the rectangle on the right to view multiple cameras at once. To add multiple users to the account, go back to the home screen and tap Settings. Tap Sub-Account Management, enter your account login password. Tap Add to add a new user account. Enter the username of the new account. To lock your MobiCam feed, go back to the Settings page and tap Video Lock. You can create an unlock pattern to secure your MobiCam feed. Create the pattern you wish and confirm it on the next page. Go back to your home screen to confirm that your MobiCam feed is locked. You can learn more about MOBI by downloading the latest instruction manual using the QR code on the screen.